report that is on page 47 of Exhibit S.
Sigcine laphana ke sakhuluma ke ngodaba ke lesithombe esilaphana ekhasi number 47 ku-Exhibit S.
Thank you. When Constable Zungu was testifying in respect of this photo, he said that the person who was standing at the back there, the person that is wearing a blue top and a blue hat, that was accused number 2. Do you still recall that?
Manje ke ngizancube usakhumbula ke ngale yankathi ke uConstable Zungu naye ekhona la enkantolo ke ebenawume khona ethula ubufakazi bakhe uye wathi ke loya muntu ovela kulesa sithombe ke ogqoke ikepisi eliblue futhi naye top ke blue lo muntu ke umangalela wesibili uyakhumbula ekusho lokho?
Yebo ngamuzwa ngeqamba mangala eboxing.
Yes, I did hear him when he was lying under oath.
What will you respond to what he told to this court that that person that we just referred to now is accused number 2?
Manje wena uthini kuloko bokwashiwo uyena Constable Zungu ukuthi loya muntu ovela lapha kulesa sithombe lesiya egqoke ke ublue ke u-accused number 2 wena uthini kuloko?
Into engekho leyo.
That is not true.
Umntanzi angimazi nokumazi azange futhi ngibe naye la mina.
I don't even know Tanzi and I was not with him here.
Lo I choose number 4 maphisi umuntu angengaye.
The person depicted there is accused number 4, which is Mapisa, somebody that I was with on that day.
No umuntu futhi othe ena loya nontanzi loya naye angimazi.
Even the person that alleged that the person on the picture is Ntanzi, I don't even know him.
Ngisho Zungu la, ngisho Constable Zungu la.
I am now referring to Constable Zungu.
Angimazi ngiqala ukumbona la kuleli bhokisi manje la ecourt ezona.
I don't know him. The first time that I saw him was when he was standing on this dock also here in court.
So lento ayikhulumayo le yaningamanga ukukhohlisa icourt nje.
So what he said is a lie. He's just lying to the court.
Thank you. Now, if I told this court that the person that you're saying is Mansizwane Kanyile, just to say, he said, I think that is me, referring himself when he told this court, when he was asking about that person who's partially obscured today, he told this court today, I think that is me, meaning himself, Constable.
Okay. Uye waqhubeka futhi ke uConstable Zungu ke wathi ke la enkantolo lo yamuntu lo wena othi ke uma Nsizwane Khanyile uZungu wathi la ecourt uyacabanga ukuthi lo muntu uyena esho yena ukuthi uZungu lo belapha yana.
Washo njalo impela mayiqamba manga la ecourt.
Yes, that is exactly what he said when he was lying before the court.
Ekhohlisa inkantolo.
Lying before the court.
Do you have any response to that which he told this court, saying that he thought that was him?
Manje ke khona mhlawumbe wena ke ongakusho ke uma ngale nkulumo ayishilo ukuthi ethi uZungu uyacabanga ukuthi ke uyena lo yamuntu loya.
Uthi uyacabanga ngoba vele uyazi ukuthi akusuyena. That's why azathi uyacabanga.
That is why that he said to the court that he thought that was him because he knew that he was lying.
Uhlule ukukhuluma ukuchaza lezi impahla eqowe lo muntu ukuthi impahla zini wathi khodro leya.
He failed to give a description of the clothes the person was wearing. He said he was wearing a khodro.
Yes.
Esho khodro leya yena eqowe lapha ekhona hayi la.
He was referring to a khodro that he was wearing wherever he was, not here.
Ngoba lo muntu lo ugqoke ibrand new le.
Because this person is wearing a Brentwood
Neskipa seLenscourt.
and a Lanscott t-shirt.
So yena akhuluma ukuthi hayi iskipa somkhona emide ini ikhodro ngezansi ngoba akayazi lento le.
He came and said this person is wearing a khodro and a long sleeve t-shirt. He was talking something that he does not know, my lord.
Into nje ayizama nje ukuyikhanda ukuthi azokhohlisa ngayo enkantolo.
It's something that he was just trying to fabricate so that he can come and deceive or lie to the court.
Ukuthi mhlambe lokho okukhulunywa uGininda kuzwakale kangcono.
So that whatever or the things that Gininda has said could sound better.
Thank you. You would further recall that in his testimony that you have rendered as lies, he also told the court that at some point when you were at the hostel, when he was talking about you, he said you were initially wearing a, what color was that now? Yeah. He said you were wearing a lime green t-shirt, and then you went out, took a shower somewhere or a bath somewhere, and then you changed that t-shirt. You still remember that?
Manje ke usakhumbula ke ngalenkathi ke ekhuluma naye ke uZungu ethi ngalenkathi ulapha ehostel uthi ngalosuku lolo ke ubugqoke iskipa ke silime green ke kodwa ke wasuhamba ke yandawana thize ke mhlawumbe uyogeza noma uyoshawa wasophinda ubuya soshintshile. Uyakhumbula ngalenkathi esho lokho?
Yebo ngiyakhumbula.
Yes, I still recall that.
Mr. Makata, do you mind to show us a lime green color there? Lime green color, I'm thinking about something proud. I don't know what color is it. Just do something on the computer and maybe just aside. I just want to get to know what this lime green color is.
Manje yacala ke umzali umnisi ukuthi ke umsemakhanya ke lo osenzela ke umabona kude ukuthi isithombe lesi ke azama ukuthi ke mhlambe ke angakhomba lapho kuvela khona ke ulime green lokhunywa ngawo kulesa sithombe ke sibona lapha kwenkantolo.
No, not in this photo,
Oh, not
but just the general color, lime green. I just want to have an idea of what lime green
Okay.
is. Yes.
Sorry about that. Ucela ukuthi ke umzali makhanya ke asikhombise ke umbala ke lo lime green ngoba kumele ufuna ukubona kahle ukuthi lo mbala lo uthiwa lime green lo umbala onjani kahle hle.
Yeah, look, when we did physical
The plan says, this gentleman is lying.
excuse me, my lord.
The evidence of the trial is that line is so-called line green color was never there, it's lying. So you want to see the lies for what?
I just want to have an idea of what color is it, man, because I don't want to keep on visualizing it.
No, but the evidence is that Zungu is lying.
Yes.
No person with a line green color.
Yes, my
So
lord.
why should we have a look at it? Because the evidence is clear, according to your client. Those are lies. And now you say you want to see those lies.
Manje ke
I'm not saying I want to see those lies, my lord. This for my own understanding, for my own sake, because I don't have a clue what a lime green color is. Maybe I'm just colorblind, my lord, because I'm trying to visualize what the lime color green is. What color is lime green? I'm just trying to close my eyes and I can't visualize it. But technology can show us, my lord.
umzali umnisi ke uye wacela la phambi kwenkantolo ukuthi ke yena ke insizwa lesizwe ke ngomabona kude la enkantolo ke isikhombise ke umbala ke lo ke ongaba lime green ke lapha inkosi enkantolo ithi kodwa ke ufakazi ke noma ke client yakhe yathi ke lokakushilo ke yena ke uKhosabo Zungu ukuthi kuno lime green kwamanga. So ithi inkosi enkantolo manje wona umnisi ke sofuna ukubona ke lawo manga ke lawo na uthi umnisi ke cha inkosi enkantolo ke ngiyazama ukuthi ke ngizibuza ukuthi ke lo mbala ke o lime green umbala onjani angifuni lokhu ngicabangela nje kodwa ke zona lezi ke eze technology ke zingasiza kakhulu ke zingikhombe ukuthi ngombala lo lime green ngombala onjani.
Thank you, Mr. Mackay. Now, Mr. Niwe, I can already see what a lime green color is. It's that color that is depicted there. It's indeed lime green. I don't know what to call it. It's just lime green. Thank you.
Uthi ke yabonga kakhulu ke umbala ke lo lime green ke uyona loyo ovezwa la kubabona kude.
Now, Mr. Niwe, the time that was perfectly captured by the state, being the time at which this photo was taken, is 15:30:31. That is 3:30 in the afternoon, on the 26th of October 2014.
Mnuzane isikhathi ke lesi ke esike sakhombiswa ke esikhombisa ukuthi isithombe lesakhaza ngaso ke bekuyi 15:30:31 kusho ukuthi 3:30 futhi usuku kumhla ka-26 October ngo-2014.
Thank you. Now, according to how I followed the evidence of Mr. Zungu, is that already at this time you should have been wearing, or you should have had that lime green t-shirt on.
Manje ke uma ke ngilandele kahle ubufakazi bakhe uZungu ngokuya ngenkulumo uZungu ayebeka ke inkulumo yakhe iyakhombisa ukuthi ke ngalesikhathi ke lesekukhulunywa ngaso ke u-1530-31 ubumele ke ubusagqoke yona ke color le lime green.
Now, let us start here. Were you ever wearing that lime green T-shirt on that day?
Masiqale la uke wayigqoka ke ngalo suku lolo ke yona le lo mbala ke lo lime green.
Cha,
No,
azange ngigqoka.
I did not wear that color.
Did you ever go out to take a shower or bath and changed into something else?
Uke wagqoba khona inkathi lapho ukuhamba khona mhlambe ke uyogeza washintsha ke wagqoka okunye.
Now, according to Zungu, when you were in his company,
Ngale nkathi ubunoZungu uyowasuka lapho ubunayo iZungu wahamba ke wayogeza washintsha obuya soshintshile.
Number 1 nje azange be noZungu.
Firstly, I was never with Zungu
yes.
Azange futhi kube khona la ngiyogeza khona.
and I did not go anywhere to shower or take a bath.
Ngageza ekseni ngalela langa.
I took my bath in the morning on that particular day.
Ngashintsha impahla.
I changed my clothes
Ngagqoka lezi impahla ngisigqoke la.
and wore these clothes that are shown here on this picture.
Ijacket ekhaki,
It's a khaki jacket,
iblue ekhaki,
a khaki trouser,
amateka amnyama.
and black pair of khakis.
Indlela engangigqoke ngayo ngalela langa.
That's the way that I was wearing on that particular day.
Akukho lapho engake ngathi ngishintsha khona ngigqoke enye into.
At no stage I went to change to something else.
Thank you. I hear you mentioning the type of clothes that you were wearing. A khaki top, you are calling it a jacket, also a khaki trouser, and a black canvas shoes.
Uthi ke ngiyabona ke ukhuluma ke ngempahla ubugqokile ke ngalosuku lolo ubugqoke ke itop ke okhaki ibhruku lekhaki namateka amnyama.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that is correct.
Let's go to photo number 38, please. Thank you. Is this photo a proper reflection, or does it reflect properly the description of the clothes that you were saying you were wearing on this day?
Manje ke lesithombe lesi ke siveza ke ngendlela ubugqoke ngayo ngalolo suku loluya.
Ngoba nje sibonakala kanje usuku lonke kusukela ekseni mangiqeda ukugeza ngagqoka nje ngalendlela le wazi kwashona ilanga.
As the picture is showing my lord how I am dressed, that is how I was dressed the whole day. From the morning, the whole day I was dressed like that.
Thank you. Now, what is your response with regard to these allegations that were made by Constable Zungu, that when he saw you, that when he met you at the Basutini Hostel, you were wearing a lime T-shirt that you subsequently went away after having taken a bath or changing, put on something different?
Manje ke uthini kuloko okwashiwo ke uyena ke Constable Zungu ethi ke ngalosuku lolo wena ke ubugqoke i-lime T-shirt wasuhamba ke uyoshintsha ke wasubuya ke ushintshile.
Amanga lawo into engazange ziyenzeke.
It's a lie, that did not happen.
Ukhoti izokhumbula mina ngihlala edrobheni eGoli ngalesi sikhathi.
The court will recall at this time I was staying in Johannesburg in town.
Ngigeze edrobheni ngashintsha impahla edrobheni.
I took my bath in town and also changed my clothes.
Ngiyale nje ngiyofika kweSprite ngiyofika kweFosloras ngigqoke lezi impahla.
I'm going to Sprite or Fosloras wearing these clothes that are depicted on the screen.
So ayikho indawo ngangaphinde ngigeze kuyo ngaphandle ukuthi kumele ngiphinde ngiyogeza eJuice.
There was no other place where I could have taken my bath, only I would have to go back to Johannesburg to take my bath,
Ngoba la ngihlala khona.
because that is where I reside
Impahla zami lapha ekhona.
and that is where my clothes are.
So lapha nginampahla yami ekhona la.
Here, I don't have any clothes.
Impahla zami ekhona la ilezi ngigqokile kuphela.
The clothes that I had was the clothes that was on my body that I was wearing on that day.
Thank you.
So lokho kukhulunywa uZungu kahle kahle ungamanga nje.
So what Zungu is saying is a lie, my lord.
Thank you. Mr. Mzobe, is it correct that when one when I say one, I mean everybody that is looking at that, at picture number 48, which is, actually, let's go back to picture number 47, picture on page number 47, just the previous one. Thank you. Is it correct that when one looks at the picture that depicts you on that day at this time of the day, which was 3:30 in the afternoon, you don't seem to be wearing anything beneath that the khaki top there?
Kuyiqiniso namzane ke uma sibuka lesithombe lesi ke esiveza wena ngasisikhathi lesi ke u-3:30 ke ubonakala ke njengomuntu ongagqokanga lutho ngaphansi kwaleya top le khaki uyigqoke ngaphezulu.
Yebo ngigqoke ijacket kuphela, akunaskipa, akunavest, akunalutho.
Yes, I'm just wearing a jacket. I'm not wearing a vest. There's no vest. There's no t-shirt. Nothing underneath the jacket.
Thank you. Let's go to picture number 48. Picture on page 48. If you can just beam it a little bit. Thank you. Now, this picture again, it's a picture that was also downloaded from your phone, according to the state. That is a picture that was also taken at 3:31 on the 26th of October 2014. In other words, it was taken like almost a minute apart or a minute after the photo that is on page 47.
Uma ke sibheka futhi lesithombe futhi lesibili ke naso sikhombisa ke lempatho sigqokile futhi ke esathathwa ke ngo-15:31 okusho ukuthi ke umzuzu owodwa emva kwalesithombe lesilapha kunamba photo number 47.
Yebo.
Now, before you proceed, would you agree with what the state presented to the court about these pictures?
Ngaphambi ukuthi siqhubele phambili ke uyavumelana nalokhu ke umbuso oye wakunikeza inkantolo mayelana ke nalesithombe lesi,
Owani wesikhathi noma wani?
referring to with the time or what?
Yes, the time and the date at which these photos were taken.
Yes, sikhuluma ngesikhathi futhi nosuku oyebathi ke lethombe lezi ke zathathwa ngaso.
Yebo ngiyavumelana, iqiniso lelo.
Yes, I do agree with the state. It's the truth.
Thank you. Now, you also see that the clothes that you're wearing accords with what you have explained to this court a bit earlier on or some minutes ago on the clothes that you were wearing when you left Joburg in the morning on that day.
Futhi ke yakubona ukuthi ke lethombe lesi ke siveza ke nawe ke ngendlela ewasho ngakhona ukuthi ke mawusuka ke eGoli ngalosuku lolu ugqoke kanje ngendlela ivela ngayo la sithombeni.
Yebo.
Yes.
Is there any line t-shirt that you were able to identify?
Manje ke kulesithombesa wena khona ke isikipha ke siline ongakhona ukusikhomba sona lapha.
Asikho, ngigqoke ijacket kuphela.
There's no line t-shirt. I'm just wearing a jacket.
Akunalutho ngaphansi.
I have nothing under.
Thank you.
Nivuliwe izipho iyabonakala, akunanex ngaphansi.
And the zip is drawn down. It's clear. There's nothing under the jacket.
Thank you.